Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to deactivate Zen Mode on OnePlus. Firstly, locate the power button when you are on Zen Mode and you don't know how to stop it. Press and hold it until the power menu appears on your screen. And if it doesn't, just keep pressing. In the power menu, select Restart. This action will reboot your device and deactivate Zen Mode. Just if it didn't work, find and open the Zen Mode app on your device. Then tap on the option to end the session if you want to deactivate it without restarting your phone. But you can do that since Zen Mode is about not touching your phone. And that's it guys. Now enjoy full access to your device without the restrictions of Zen Mode if you activated it accidentally. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.